I'm Yashwini Raj. You are watching Breath of Nature documentary. In this episode, our crew is going to take you people to an isolated place. You'll be wondering where is our destination today. Yes, we are heading to one of the oil palm estate founded in Chendirian, Perak, that is located in Tapa, and it's known as Tongwa Estate. So here I am in this Tongwa oil palm estate. So let's hear what the manager says about the problems that they faced, such as the pesticide problems.
At the moment, we don't have the local workers over here. All foreigners, they're maintaining the oil.
How is the development of the place?
Development is as usual. The oil palm estate, and we just target for 1 ton per acre. So we target on that and go on like that.
What are the problems that you face?
Yeah, we faced last 2-3 years ago what we call the backworms insect fungicide.
Problem being out around.
Yeah, all affected, mostly the young palms all affected. Backworms to stick to the leaves, the bottom of the leaves, to eat up the leaves and all these things. So it will be affect our normal crop.
So apart from the pesticide, what other problems if you face?
Not much problem, only the raining. If no oil palm, mainly water and fertilizer. Enough good rains and fertilizer, enough fertilizer.
Now we are going into the field with the manager to look the affected oil palm trees.
See, like this yellow, the leaves are getting yellow,
Oh, okay.
yellow stripe. That's what we call during the wet season. I mean, a wet season, dry season. Like a hot sun.
Oh, that's why it's getting yellow lah.
Yellow, yeah.
Oh.
Because lack of nutrient.
Problem faced by Tongwa Estate, butterroot diseases backworm. Due to the diseases, the weight of the palm and the market value of palm reduced, and it also affected by Ganoderma fungi were fallen down. It's called brittle leaves. Butterroot is one of the most common diseases of coconut around the world, especially in the very humid regions. Usually only sporadic cases of butterroot occur in plantation, but sometimes the disease may kill a few % of the palm each year. Serious epidemics are rare. There are many pathogens that can cause butterroot of palm trees. Some of the common causes are Phytophthora, Palmivora, Tilotropis, Paradoxa, and bacteria. Regardless of the pathogen causing the diseases, the symptoms and treatment are the same.
This is spread from the Telekintan area over here, all over this area and all this. So finally, this came to our Tongwa estate also. So we take the action, we see what is the solution for the treatment this on. So we are augering, that is the only solution, augering. Auger, after that inject the chemical, insect chemical, insecticide chemical, we have applied, and then we mark out the palms. To last another 3 months, 4 months can last. Okay. If you leave it like this, the whole area can be dried, the palms will be affected. Almost the palms will get die also.
The first symptoms of butterroot is withering of the youngest unfolded leaf. Light brown speckles are present on the petiole bases of the youngest leaves, and on those of oldest leaves large yellowish to brown necrotic areas may be observed. The same is sometimes true of the pentacles of inflorescences.
Okay.
Apparently, healthy trees in contaminated area may show symptoms in the petiole bases alone or also in stem and bud. The primary infection probably occurs at the level of petioles of young leaves of ranks 1 to 5 without causing visible external symptoms. Palm bud rot caused by bacterial infections is often associated with cold damage and stress placed on the tree by exposure to cold temperature. When a palm tree is exposed to cold damage, to prevent the possible onset of palm bud rot, the tree should be treated with liquid copper
We're
fungicide.
making the hole here. We are having the drill. We make the hole here. We already close up. I think. We make the drill, inject the chemicals, and we mark the for this treatment.
So these trees is inject after the.
Once we
The treatment for the oil palm disease. Immediately after cold damage, the terminal bud should be sprayed and then repeated every 10 to 14 days for the series of 4 treatments. Do not wait until palm bud rot symptoms emerge. Avoid pruning or removing cold damaged fronds, as this will place more stress on the tree and increase the potential for other bacterial or fungal infections to enter the tree. When treating and preventing palm bud rot, it is important to realize that palm trees have only one terminal bud form which all new growth emerge. Unlike most trees such as maple and apple trees which have many points where new growth emerge, palm rely exclusively on their single terminal bud. If the terminal bud or heart becomes diseased or freeze during cold periods and dies, the tree will not be able to put out any new leaf growth and will die. That is why regular monitoring of the terminal bud and preventative care are vital to maintaining a healthy palm tree. When we are discussing the environment, it is important not to forget that our actions have an impact not only on us but on the natural world and other species as well. The use of palm oil in food products has attracted the concern of environmental activist groups. The high oil yield of the trees has encouraged wider cultivation, leading to the clearing of forests in parts of Indonesia in order to make space for oil palm monoculture. Palm oil counts among the products with the highest ecological damage in Malaysia. However, we believe the treatment of palm oil will save many palm oil around the Cenderawasih Perak and also throughout Malaysia.
Well, that is the end of our journey today. Phew, we had such a precious journey throughout our day today. From the feedback of the oil palm estate manager, it is then to know that backworms are the parasites that could destroy the whole plantation of the oil palm. According to him, backworms originally spread from Teluk Intan, and day by day it starts to spread to other plantation areas, and if not taken early precautions, it can destroy the whole plantation areas, which could bring a lot of cost for the. Although Tonghua estate is under private sector, they are trying their level best to maintain and preserve the oil palm estate. End of the day, we are hoping that this program could bring and raise awareness to all of you. People in next episode in a different destination. Till then, take care and bye-bye.